Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see on the HTML, that is table tag. Okay. On the previous tag we have covered the list. In that list we have covered order list, unordered list, and also description list. Okay. So if you haven't gone through that videos, you can go through our playlist HTML tutorial. Okay. So now let's see about what is the table tag. So this table tag defines the what HTML to create the table only. Okay, so if we don't have the table tag, we cannot create any kind of a table in the HTML. Okay, so in this HTML table tag, so we have more than three or whatever the tags are there, like more than three tags are there. That is one is tr tag, another one is th tag and td tag. So tr tag is used for to define the what a table rows. If I want to create any rows, I can use the what tr. If I want to define the head of the table heading, so then I can go for the th. Then when if you want to add the datas in that cells, particular cell, when you create the rows and the table heading, so it will create the cells. Okay. So in that, if I want to add any kind of datas, define some datas in the table, so I can use the what td. Okay, so now let's see with the practical how can we do that one. Okay, so let me open the Visual Studio, or let me open the my folder where I used to work. Desktop. Open with Visual Studio. Okay, so now I'll create a one file here, that is HTML file. So let me create a one HTML file, that is table.html. I'm creating the table.html. Okay, enter. So now what I'll do, shift plus 1. Okay, sorry, here shift plus 1 and enter. So it will give the description of the table. Okay, now I need to create the table, means I need to use the what a table tag. Okay, I'll use the table tag here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll use the means if I want the structure like this. Okay, so let me open a paint here and let me show you. Okay, so for example, I want the table like this. Okay, so like this I want to create. This is called table heading. Okay, th, th. Here also th. Okay, table heading. Here also table heading. I'm making it as a horizontal table heading, and here it is called as a tr. Okay, so I want to create a table rows, means I have to use the what tr. Okay, and then if I want to enter the data, means I have to use the what td. Okay, so td and td. Okay, like this it will go for the other remaining cells also. These are called as the cells. Okay, so if I want to enter any kind of data inside the cells, means I have to use the td tag. Okay, to create the table row means tr. So here also I need to use it tr, otherwise I cannot create any kind of rows. Okay, so like this I want to create the what table now. So using the practical, we'll see how to do that one. Okay, so first I have created the table here. Then what I have to create, I have to go with the tr, right? So tr, so I'll do tr. Okay, so the row is created. Now inside this, what I have to do, I want a horizontal, right? So horizontally the table headings. I want a table headings. So within that particular row, I want a table headings. Then to create the table headings, there is a tag called th. So how many I want? In 3. So into 3. Okay, so this will give the shortcut. Okay, so this is shortcut keywords. If you go with that, then it will create a three table headings. Okay, so now I'll make it as a table or like th1 and th2, that is table heading 2, th3, table heading 3. Okay, so now one row is created. Okay, the remaining one I have to create, right? The remaining two row I have to create. So tr, okay, into 2. So 2 TRs has created. In this TR, I'll add the what? TD. Now, if you see in this, the next data is like TD, right? So TD, I'll add the what? TD here. TD into 3 because 3 columns are there. So let me use it as a TD1, TD2, table data. Okay, table data 3. So in this again, I'll create the what? Another table data. Okay, so TD into 3. Enter TD4, TD5, TD6. Okay, so I have created this one. So let's run this one. Okay, you can see the TH1, TH2, TH3. This is a table heading which is on the horizontal. This is called as a row. The row is created. Three rows is created. We have also created a three rows. And inside that, TH we have added in the one row. And in the another rows, TD1 and the TD. Like another, in the another row, we have added another three TDs. Okay. So what if I don't have a table tag? Okay, and we'll try to add the only TR and TH. Okay, whether it will work or not. Okay, I have removed the table tag now. Okay, so save it and let me refresh it. You can see. So without a table tag, it will not create the what? Table creation means it will not create a table. So we need the what? Table tag to create the what? Table. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for you to get to know about the what is a table in the HTML. So in the next class, we will see how to apply the CSS property for the table. Okay. So if you have any doubts in the table, please comment it out. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and like on this hit on the like and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.